Want to get rich, so you're thinking of maybe starting a franchise business. Don't do that. This is what you should do instead. Start affiliate marketing instead. I can't stress this enough. I'm going to compare the two, a franchise business and affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you why you should stick to affiliate marketing. They're very similar, but they're very different. And if you don't know who I am yet, hello, I'm Geraldine, a freelance digital marketer. I teach you how to earn online so you could quit your 9-to-5. Feel free to pause or save this so you can look at this later. So we have franchise business on the left, affiliate marketing on the right. These are some of the differences between each business, but we're going to focus on what's similar. In both of these business models, you will know what products you are going to sell, who you're going to sell them to, and how much you're going to earn from each of those sales. When we look at the franchise business models, we see that it's high startup costs, it needs a lot of employees, it's very stressful, it could get traffic, who knows. It is slower for profits because it's real people going in and out. You have to deal with customers, you have to attend to them, you have to deal with also FDA regulations, and it's very risky to start. On the other side, affiliate marketing has low startup costs. You don't need employees right away. You have access to the whole internet. So very high traffic if you know how to do it. You get faster profits and you don't have to deal with customers. In general, it's very low risk. So I recommend to not spend your life savings on a business that you don't know where it's going to go. Learn the high income skills of digital marketing and grow a profitable online business.